Good morning, students. Once again, this video for class 9th, subject Information Technology, and chapter name is Computer Fundamental. In this video, we will discuss computer memory and types. First, you can see unit of computer memory. Here are some higher units of computer memory. 1 byte equal 8 bit, 1 kilobyte equal 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte equal 1024 kilobyte or KB, 1 GB equal 1024 MB, 1 terabyte equal 1024 GB, and 1 petabyte equal 1024 TB means terabyte. Now computer memory of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. In this picture you can see computer memory are divided into two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory again divided in two parts, ROM and RAM, read only memory and random access memory. Secondary memory also divided two types, fixed devices and removable devices. Now what is primary memory? Other name of internal memory. What is primary memory or internal memory? The memory located inside the CPU is called primary memory. So this memory located in the CPU, so it called internal memory. As it is located within the CPU, it is first accessed by the CU for storing data and instruction. This memory located inside CPU, so it is first accessed by CPU or CU. It has to be very fast. Primary memory is very fast. It is expensive as well. These are the characteristics of primary memory: very fast, very expensive, and available in small amounts to the tune of 2 to 4 GB, 2 GB से लेकर 4 GB तक. Now what is random access memory or RAM? RAM stands for random access memory, also called volatile memory or temporary memory. It is a type of temporary storage devices. It does not store data permanently. RAM loses all its data once the power is turned off. Students, RAM is a temporary memory because data stored on RAM gets erased when the power to the computer is switched off. If you shut down the computer or power switch, then your data will be erased and RAM is clear. The memory that loses its data when power is switched off is called volatile or temporary memory. You can read and write to from the RAM. RAM is used for read and write operation. Now read only memory, ROM. ROM stand for read only memory. ROM is a non-volatile memory or permanent memory. It performs only read function, not write function. ROM is used to store information that does not change. ROM is used to store information that does not change like boot sequence, algorithm, tables, scientific constant values, etc. Thank you.